Have you ever imagined a world where the internet isn't controlled by big tech giants, but instead runs completely on blockchain? A place where websites, apps, and even entire social networks could exist without centralized servers or corporations pulling the strings. That's exactly the revolutionary vision of the Internet Computer, ICP. If this idea excites you and you want to stay ahead in the world of blockchain and crypto, then you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any powerful insights about the future of technology and investing. Introduction to Internet Computer. The Internet Computer, ICP, is not just another cryptocurrency, it's an entirely new kind of blockchain project. Launched by the DFINITY Foundation in May 2021, Internet Computer's mission is bold: to decentralize the internet. Unlike most blockchains that mainly focus on payments or smart contracts, Internet Computer wants to replace the traditional internet infrastructure we use every day: servers, cloud providers, data centers, with a decentralized system powered by blockchain. In simple terms, while Bitcoin is digital money and Ethereum is a decentralized app platform, Internet Computer is a blockchain designed to become the internet itself. The vision behind Internet Computer: today's internet is controlled by tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. They own the data centers and cloud systems where apps and websites run. This creates issues like privacy concerns, censorship, and monopolies. The vision of Internet Computer is to create a free and open internet where anyone can build websites, apps, and services directly on the blockchain, without depending on centralized servers. Imagine a social media app like Facebook or Twitter running on Internet Computer. There would be no corporation in the middle, no ads forced onto you, and no risk of your data being sold. That's the power of decentralization. How Internet Computer works: Internet Computer is powered by its native token called ICP. The token is used for governance, paying for network usage, and rewarding those who run the blockchain's infrastructure. The technology behind ICP is what makes it unique. Instead of relying on miners or typical validators, Internet Computer uses a system called the Network Nervous System, NNS. Here's how it works in simple terms. Data centers become part of the blockchain. Independent data centers around the world provide computing power. Instead of hosting on Amazon Web Services, Oz, or Google Cloud, developers deploy apps directly onto Internet Computer's decentralized nodes. Smart contracts called canisters. Unlike Ethereum's smart contracts, Internet Computer uses something called canisters. These are powerful smart contracts that can scale to run apps, social media platforms, or even entire enterprise systems. Network Nervous System, NNS. The NNS governs how the Internet Computer evolves. ICP token holders can vote on proposals to upgrade the system or make changes, ensuring community-driven governance. Internet speed transactions. One of ICP's most impressive features is speed. It processes smart contracts in just milliseconds and at a fraction of the cost compared to Ethereum. Key features of Internet Computer: decentralized infrastructure, no need for Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. Apps live fully on-chain. Web-scale smart contracts. Canisters are scalable and can handle massive applications like social networks or enterprise software. High speed and low cost. Transactions run at web speed and are cheaper than traditional blockchains. On-chain governance. The Network Nervous System allows ICP holders to vote and shape the future. End-to-end decentralization. Unlike other blockchains that still rely on external servers, ICP keeps everything inside its ecosystem. Real-world applications of Internet Computer. What makes Internet Computer exciting is how it could reshape the entire internet. Here are a few potential use cases. Decentralized social media. Platforms like Facebook or Twitter could exist without companies controlling your data. Open Internet services. Imagine search engines, messaging apps, or video sharing platforms running completely on blockchain. Enterprise software. Businesses could use Internet Computer for secure, scalable apps without relying on cloud providers. Gaming. Developers could build fully decentralized games that live entirely on-chain. NFT marketplaces. NFT platforms can run faster and cheaper using Internet Computer's canisters. Why Internet Computer matters? Internet Computer matters because it challenges the very structure of today's Internet. Right now, we rely on centralized corporations for almost everything we do online, from storing files to using apps. But this comes with problems: lack of privacy, censorship risks, and high costs for developers. By decentralizing the Internet, ICP promises to create a world where users own their data. Developers have freedom to build without gatekeepers. The Internet becomes open, secure, and censorship-resistant. This is why Internet Computer is often called one of the most ambitious projects in blockchain history. The future of Internet Computer. Since its launch, ICP has seen both excitement and criticism. Its vision is massive, but building a decentralized Internet is no small task. The team is continuously working on upgrades, expanding the ecosystem, and encouraging developers to build apps on ICP. Over time, we could see decentralized versions of the apps we use every day: social media, cloud storage, video platforms, all running on Internet Computer. If this happens, it would transform the way we experience the Internet. Risks and challenges. Like all blockchain projects, Internet Computer has challenges. Complex vision. Building a decentralized Internet is far more difficult than just making a cryptocurrency. Adoption hurdles. Convincing developers and users to move away from traditional systems will take time. Market volatility. ICP's price has been highly volatile, which can make investors nervous. Centralization concerns. Some critics argue that despite its vision, ICP still has centralization risks in its governance. Still, its long-term potential remains enormous if it can overcome these challenges. So, what is Internet Computer? It's not just another cryptocurrency. It's a bold attempt to rebuild the Internet on blockchain. With its powerful technology, decentralized infrastructure, and ambitious vision, ICP has the potential to completely change the way we use, build, and interact online. While it's still early days and the road ahead won't be easy, Internet Computer represents one of the most daring experiments in the entire crypto world. And that brings us to the end of today's deep dive. If you enjoyed learning about Internet Computer and want to explore more crypto projects in a simple and educational way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.